Task time logs. The time logs feature can be used to track the amount of time it takes to complete any given task. Time logs include the date the activity occurred, the task the time log relates to, the amount of hours used during the activity, and a description of the activities conducted. It also records who performed the activity. To add a time log, navigate to the relevant task via the Task portal. Select the task and go to the Time Logs tab. Then click New Time Log button. Enter the relevant details and click Create. To update a time log, double-click the time log item, update the relevant details and save. To navigate back to the Task Details screen, select the task title Breadcrumb. Note: multiple time logs can be added to a single task. To delete a time log, select the record you wish to delete and click Delete.